What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about if you are looking forward for what kind of a topic you're going to go and make, and that's how you're going to go and get some views. You have to look forward for what people actually search on Google. So if people are searching something on Google and you're making the topic of that, so definitely somewhere or along the line you are going to get some views over there. So how you can go and do that is you have to go on Google, right? So go on Google and type most asked question and hit on enter and look forward for list of 1000 most asked question on Google, that is like most popular. People actually search for that questions. So if I scroll it, you will get the number one rank, that is there are too many searches for that particular search on Google, and it's going to be globally, so all around the world. Alright, so what are the tags that is actually making that helpful? So number one is most asked question on Google is what is my IP. So if you want to know your IP, just go and type what is your IP, and it is going to give you the IP address of your PC. And this second one shocks me, because whenever people have some want to know the time, they have to see the watch or their mobile phone, but people search on Google what time is it, and there are so many searches on that. So this is the hot topic which people search for: how to register to vote, how to tie a tie. People don't know how to tie a tie, so they search on Google. Alright, so make a video, make a post, make a blog, and you might get some search ranking on that. And there is also keyword, and it is like $1.62 for that particular keyword. So that means you need to go and just show them how to tie a tie, simple as that. Alright, so that's kind of a question you are going to get, and make the topic from that, and you might get some views. That is going to be from Google, and it is going to be organic views. So because people actually search that on Google. Alright, so when is Mother's Day, and it's going to go and see how many searches are there. Just see the amount of searches are there, how many weeks in a year people search for this. Strange. Alright, so this I don't never go and search on this, because it's like a common sense and people search for that. So I don't know what people search and what kind of things did, how to download YouTube videos. So this is my kind of a video. I actually made a video on how to download YouTube videos. I'm not going to read because there are too many of them. Just what is the time, and what time is it, what is the time. Alright, so just go and how to make a screenshot, how to take a screenshot of my pardon. Just go and search, there are thousands of them, and just go and search for that, and you might end up by how old is Earth. Nice question. I'm going to search on that later on. Okay, how to make a resume, how much is my car worth. You have to mention your car name, right? Okay, people search that. Okay, so just go and look forward for that. Take the topic from that. If you're not looking for what kind of a topic you want to make your next video, this is going to help you out with that, and who knows, your next video is going to be viral because of this thing people actually searching for. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you get some views and you rank up something in whatever you do if you're a content creator. So that's about it for this video. This is a pro tip. Alright, so not bunch of the people tell you about this. So I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys in the next one.